Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Recurring Accordion Present. Now obviously if you've done an accordion present before, then you're going to be set up for this. There'll be a link in the description below, so if you've not met that one, you can head off, learn it, fill the hole in your repertoire and be ready for this one. So if you can do an accordion present, if you've got the room, and we're going to obviously be limited by the stage, you could do extra versions of the present to make it even fancier. So it looks like this. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if you had a huge dance floor, you could use this very Fred Astaire style to go tearing from one corner to the other, but obviously in a lot of venues you don't have that kind of space, in which case you can do the compact form, which basically means you do your accordion set up exactly the same, and when you get to here, instead of the guy heading off that way, all you do is you send the lady out and you do your prep again to do the next present, heading back to where you began. So let's break it down. Probably best if we start off this way round. So accordion present all the way to the first present. So we go back, sweep, look, sweep, prep and present. This is where it changes from the basics. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to hold the lady in place with the right hand. So we're basically saying stay there as we bring the left hand up and the guys head over to the right. And then you're in a perfect position to draw the lady through again into another present. And you can end by just going back into an accordion, or you can end by doing what we did in the normal version, which is just leading the spin to exit. So let's talk about that with some numbers, and we'll just do the standard spin exit. So we go back and offer. There's 1, returning 2, looking 3, turning 4, prepping 5, present 6, guys head through 7, present 8, spinning 1, catching 2, returning 3 and back 4. Let's try it to a count. Here we go. 5, a 6, an accordion present. You go, offer, return, look, turn, preparation, present 1, get ready, 2, spin, catch, return and back. So that's the standard one. Now let's have a quick go, just to walk through to the compact version. So we'll go back. Everything is exactly the same up until the first present, and then all we're going to do, guys, take the left over the lady, turning her around, and guys take a step forward, turning to the right, and then you can do a present going back, present, and then finish as before with the spin. So let's try that version. Timing is pretty much exactly what you'd expect. It goes 7, sorry, my fault, let's start from 5, 5, a 6, 7 and 8. We go a back, return, look, turn, preparation, present 1, preparation, present 2, spin, catch, return and back. So no change to the timing at all. Hope you've enjoyed that. We'll be back next time with another Modern Jive intermediate clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Big thank you to everyone who does that, because it helps grow the channel and promote dancing generally. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.